Hello everyone! Wanna backup photos from any Android phone to the USB drive? Here's how to do that. So first of all, make sure that you have the right adapter. In my case, I need a USB-C adapter. Make sure to get yours. Let's insert it. And let's see if our phone detects the adapter. To do that, we are to open up My Files application. And there we will locate a USB storage one. So if you see it, it means that our phone located the adapter and the USB drive, of course. So now let's open up the internal storage and let's locate our pictures. So usually it's either DCIM, either pictures, folder. So it really depends only on your phone model. Simply go through the well-mentioned ways and locate your media. So as you see, I have my media right here. So let's choose our pieces of media. Simply hold your finger on them and choose the desired ones. It can be any piece of media. By the way, this method works not only with pictures and videos. In fact, it works basically with everything. So choose the desired pieces of media. And at the bottom, let's press move. After that, choose the USB storage one and press move here. Before we move, not to create any mess, let's press plus and we can create a folder. So let me name it as a pictures. Once again, if you're moving videos, simply name it as videos or name it as you like and press create. After that, choose the way and press move here. Basically, that's it. Now let's try it out. Let's open up our USB storage one pics. And there we are. All pieces of media which we moved now are on our USB adapter. You know, anything can happen with the phone. However, this flash drive is always gonna be with you. So after that, let's safely unmount it. So swipe down from the top left corner of your screen, tap on this pop-up message that USB storage is added and press unmount. Now we can safely eject it and store it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.